what are some people doing that it's a mistake?
The new shops are coming in there. A lot of shops are dropping the rates down to 5-10%, and they're just making it
Just trying to get
impossible
people in,
make
right?
money. Absolutely. And there's one thing to do a promo to start up,
Like
or
90
generate
days, no
traffic.
0% interest or something. That's one thing.
That's one thing, but to run your business like that, you're cutting yourself off.
I think what ends up happening is you start at 25 and somebody comes in and says, I want to do 20. Then the next person says, I'll do 15. And the sort of domino effect ends up where nobody makes money.
Absolutely.
You've driven the entire market down to zero, when the reality is, and he and I have talked about this, and this is not a knock on anybody, it's rarely a deciding factor, if ever, for a customer to go somewhere, unless it's 0%. They're
Absolutely.
going to go where they
Wherever
what?
they pay the most.
Where they pay the most
and get
and
treated right.
get out fast.
And
I
get
mean,
out
we have
fast,
three things.
absolutely.
Yes, it's efficiency, money,
And service.
and service. So again,
The difference of $5 on a $100 loan over a course of 30 or 60 days, people don't care about. They want the $100. If you're going to get 80 down the block at 20% or 10%, they want the $100. They don't care if it's 25, and they don't even ask about it.
and you still
90+%
qualified the
of
loan. I mean, that 100 is not just
Absolutely.
100 because you
It's
want
not
the
just 100
business.
because we want 100, give $100 out. It's $100 because that's what we think we're comfortable with.